Welcome back to B2B Marketing Agency Insights. I'm your host, LaRoche, CEO of ATAK Interactive, company man today, wearing the tee, digging it. Hope you guys are too. All right, today I want to talk about 4 secrets, okay? These are 4 secrets about HubSpot that most people don't know about. Secret number 1, HubSpot doesn't run on the inbound methodology anymore. And that's a good thing. So the inbound methodology, which I've criticized many times in my life. Again, if you blog it, they will come. We're going to create all this content and people are going to read it. They're going to read through all of it. And then we're going to slowly get them down the funnel and they're going to love everything we do. And they're going to take a very long time to make a decision. And then once they do, we're going to get them because we're going to create the best content. And I think it's still a very noble idea. But at the end of the day, it's not really what works. What's funny is what HubSpot really pushes right now is a lot of their sales enablement features because they've really built a tool that can align sales and marketing like there's no tomorrow. It's unbelievable. It's such an amazing piece of software. I couldn't recommend it enough. What they're pushing right now is a lot of support on being able to close more deals. They have a lot of sales training for their agencies. They also have sales training for everybody else, the individual who's looking just to sharpen his or her skills. So they're not just agencies, but that's the thing is they don't really have this blog. If you blog it, they will come mentality. They have something called sequences that automates outreach, cold outreach to people you've never met before. That is the exact opposite of the inbound methodology, and yet they support it because you want to know why? Because it works and it's a little bit more effective than what the inbound methodology used to be. Not saying that it didn't have its heyday. I'm not saying that it wasn't okay way back when. I'm just saying HubSpot's not using it and neither am I. All right, secret number 2. You guys ready for this? A lot of HubSpot agencies are still prisoners to the prototype. And HubSpot's doing their best. They're trying to train everybody. I was looking at some of the new agency tools recently, solutions partner, educational tools, and a lot of things that they're talking about now are good, right? Customizing services for clients, being able to really survey problems and not just put people in some sort of blanket retainer of, and then we're going to write 10 blogs for you this month. And then we're going to put in, then we're going to create 2 ebooks. Really being able to build out something that's a little bit more effective. But you still see it a lot. I cannot believe some of the agencies I've gone up against in pitches and actually won. In what my feedback has been every time is you were the only person who told me you were going to show me how to use HubSpot to increase my sales. Okay, everybody else showed me how they were going to write blogs, how I'd get higher on search results, but you were the one who focused on how do I sell more? How is what you do at ATAK Interactive going to help me grow my business? Secret number 3. One of the best things about HubSpot, the integrations. Oh my God. The HubSpot integrations are out of this world. My lead developer, who looks at this stuff all the time, has said he's never seen a cleaner API in his life. And it shows. I love the HubSpot Slack integration. That's amazing. I've set up different form integrations with Typeform and SurveyMonkey. Every single time I've tried to make something work with HubSpot, it's been so seamless. And anytime there's not a native integration, I've been able to watch my technical marketing manager use Zapier to connect HubSpot with all sorts of different elements. It's really amazing that they've been able to build this tool that can be this centralized hub and can do so many things with the technology we already use. They talk about the integrations a little bit, but it's such a strength of the platform that doesn't get discussed enough. Secret number 4, and I alluded to it at the top, but HubSpot is more of a sales tool than it is a marketing tool. And it wasn't always that way, but it really is the tool that salespeople need to be able to close more deals, all right? It helps marketing teams be able to bring more leads, qualify them, be able to organize that in a way that's so easy for a sales team to discover, right? It's such that alignment that we always talk about is there, but it's also a skewed alignment. It's aligned towards helping sales more than it is marketing. And you want to know why? Because sales is more important than marketing, says the guy who runs a B2B marketing agency. It's true. because sales is what fuels the growth, okay? And HubSpot is more of a sales tool than a marketing tool. Doesn't mean the marketing tools aren't great. You can develop really great workflows. You can schedule social media posts. You can build out great landing pages. You know, the tools are fine, but it's how those tools work and how they support the sales operation that is the real strength of HubSpot. I love HubSpot. I think it's an amazing, amazing tool. Those are 4 secrets that I have learned about it, working with it over the past 2 years, and I have a few more up my sleeve. I don't know if I'm gonna just divulge them today. I don't know if you have to reach out. Don't be a stranger if you're interested, okay? I'm Austin LaRoche saying, good luck growing.